want your decals to go from this to this, but don't know how? Well, in this video, I will show you how to get your own decals and image IDs straight into your facility. And while I'm at it, here are some decals that I've made to give you some inspiration. Also, since this is my 200 subscriber special, thank you guys so much for 200 subscribers. I genuinely did not expect this channel to grow as much as it has. So I really appreciate everyone who's been watching this series. So first, we're gonna need a decal. For my decals, I use Ibis paint because it's pretty simple to make signs and posters in it, and it is also completely free. You can obviously use whatever drawing or editing app you want though. For this, I will just be using a random drawing that I've made, so that I can demonstrate for you guys. So you can change the brush sizes, colors, and everything in Ibis paint, and it's super useful for me to make several posters in. You can even use the text, so you can add things like numbers or security stuff, and you can write whatever you want in them. You can change the sizes, the font, where it is, anything. It is super useful. I've been using it for quite a while now, about 3 years I think. It has helped me a ton, so I do highly recommend you use Ibis paint. Another thing that you can use for Ibis paint is that you can add photos from your photo library and stuff into your drawing, so you can make it look even more realistic, and you can even take the pictures from, let's say, Google or whatever. So you can search up SCP logos, and then you can import it straight into the app, put it in, and make it look as realistic as you want. For my privacy, I've obviously blurred out my photo library, so it doesn't really matter, to be fair. All you have to do is just import the picture, as you can see, and then you can drag, you can change it, you can move the perspective and stuff, and it's super useful in my opinion. Very fun to use, very creative, very free that you can use it and stuff. You can freely use it as much as you want. Here I'm just demonstrating on things that you can do and add, and it's a very fun app. I've really enjoyed using it. It's been super useful. I am going to add a second part to this video, maybe next week, hopefully, where I'll be showing how to perfectly and the best way that you can make your posters to make them look like an actual foundation would use it. Once you're happy with your design, just save/export the image and download it onto your library, and then you can go to Google, Safari, whatever app you use, go to Roblox and go to create, and then you go to developer items, then you go to decals, you go to upload decals, you choose from your photo library and stuff to add it, and then you just put whatever name you want under it. You can put like security cameras A or whatever, it doesn't really matter. And then you go to images, where you can click on the image and you scroll down to where it says asset privacy, and you go from restricted to open use. This is important, by the way. You have to have it on open use, else it will not appear on your facility. Once you have finished uploading it, you'll need the image ID. This is basically the number that Roblox uses to identify the image. and then you go to the 3 dots on the top right, and then you click the copy asset ID where I'll copy it, or you can click on the image, go to the top, and then you can go to select the numbers on the far right. Another really important thing is to make sure that you use the correct size of the frame that you're putting the decal on. So on Ibis Paint, you go to the little plus sign on the top, you click custom, and then you can change the width and height. I will be putting all the frame sizes in the description and the pinned comment, so you don't have to keep pausing and writing them down throughout the video.